Yeah.
We sure have.
How are you today? Would you like a lolly?
Thank you.
No, it's a bit slow, but yeah, we kind of always figured it would be. I think with Redcliffe playing last night, there might be a few people who celebrated really hard, so they'll come out later.
Yeah, they had a win, didn't they? They did, yeah.
2 wins in a row.
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it?
Bronx had 2 wins in a row as well, so Redcliffe's not coming back.
I wonder how long that's going to last.
Who knows? It's good to see. It's great to see.
Did they play last night?
Yes.
Oh, I wouldn't want one of those.
Mango juice.